Hello everyone! We would like to introduce an essential component of any installation in hazardous environments. MAXIMUS MBX is a communication box designed to be integrated exclusively with one or more IP or analog cameras from Videotec's MAXIMUS range. MBX is not just a simple explosion-proof junction box. On the contrary, it is much more, being already certified with everything you need for a state-of-the-art installation. It already includes an Ethernet switch with 4 channels, 3 RJ45 ports, 1 SFP slot for fiber optic connection, 2 bypass for analog video signals with BNC connectors, and 2 bypass for I/O signals, and a built-in power supply available in 230, 120 and 24-volt AC versions. This device can be connected to a 24-volt AC powered PTZ and its washing kit, or to 2 fixed cameras and their washing kits. MBX has been designed in order to allow easy access to cables, making connections effortless. MAXIMUS MBX is the complete and competitive solution for professional installation of Videotec's MAXIMUS explosion-proof products. My colleague Ryan will now go into the multiple benefits of our MBX. Keep watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Morin with Videotec Security. I provide the pre and post sales and business development here in the United States. Today I'm going to be covering our MAXIMUS MBX, which is our explosion-proof communication junction box. I'll be going over some of the highlighted features and how this can be a great return of investment for you and your customers. The MAXIMUS MBX is our explosion-proof communication box. It is designed specifically to integrate seamlessly with one or more of our IP cameras from the Videotec MAXIMUS family. The MAXIMUS family consists of our fixed and PTZ cameras, and even till this day we can still offer the analog versions for the legacy systems deployed out into the field. Majority of our outdoor solutions are commonly equipped with a wiper blade, which offers the capability to clean off the glass remotely with a third-party VMS. The MAXIMUS MBX unit has the options to connect to a 24 VAC powered PTZ and a washing tank, or the possibility to offer 2 fixed cameras equipped with the washing tanks. Now the 316L stainless steel communication box comes standard with 4 3/4 inch NPT and 2 1/2 inch NPT cable gland holes. Now with this specific design, it provides an easy access to the cables and allows a much more streamlined for connection and installation. Now in today's days, with the fiber optics becoming a very reliable, efficient source for data and power, our MBX communication junction box offers the SFP port for direct fiber optic connection. The SFP module can be chosen according to the requirements of the customer's installation. And in addition to the SFP port, the communication junction box does offer 3 additional channels for the RJ45 ports for the Ethernet connection. Now this unique unit offers different certifications for UL listings for the USA and CUL listed for Canada. Now both of these can be offered in 120, 230, or 24 VAC. And globally we do offer the ATEX for the European markets, ICEX for international, Russian, Korean, and Metro for the Brazil certification. In addition to the other certifications, this unit can offer the marine certification, which is called the Lloyd's Registered. So this can guarantee functionality and operations in harsh and corrosive marine environments. And then lastly, the MBX is certified for operating temperatures from down to -40 C up to 70 C or 80 C, thanks to the industrial electronics on board. Now, when you're wiring in hazardous locations, it's often critical to not cause any ignition of the explosive atmosphere, and additionally not to spread that explosive atmosphere to other areas through the conduit systems. The suitable identified enclosures must be equipped for conduit seals, and they also must be provided with appropriate wiring methods. And monitoring and reporting today, especially in these hazardous areas that utilize the microelectronics, most of our equipment does not require voltages greater than 24 volts. And so you can utilize a low voltage on site, and you can power up our Maximus PTZ or our fixed cameras, and you can still run 120, 230, or 24 to our Maximus MBX communication box. Optionally, as far as mounting, the Videotec offers corner and pole adapter plates for installations on these types of surfaces, and a specific design wrench to be able to open and close of the communication box. One of the most important features for this MBX is having the compact size, which can result in easiness of the installation. And also the MBX is a very cost-effective solution compared to what's available out there on the market. So when you're streamlining the MBX communication box, it offers a complete solution for all professional installations, and specifically with only our Videotec MAXIMUS exposure-proof products. So I hope you found this information very valuable, and if you need additional information, please visit our website at videotec.com, and under the contacts page has all of our information. And I want to say thank you again, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.